This is a small attempt to introduce Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar. Dr. Bhimrao Ramji Ambedkar, popularly known as Babasaheb Ambedkar. He was a jurist, social reformer, and politician. As a well-known politician and an eminent jurist, his efforts to eradicate social evils like untouchability and caste restrictions were remarkable. Bhimrao Ambedkar was born to Bhimabai and Ramji on 14th of April 1891 in Mahu Army Cantonment, which was in central provinces, which is now called as Madhya Pradesh. Ambedkar's father was a Subedar in Indian Army, and after his retirement in 1894, his family moved to Satara. In 1906, 15-year-old Bhimrao married Ramabai, a 9-year-old girl. Throughout his childhood, Ambedkar faced the stigmas of caste discrimination. Hailing from the Hindu Mahar caste, his family was viewed as untouchable by the so-called upper classes. The discrimination and humiliation haunted Ambedkar at the army school. Fearing social outcry, the teachers would segregate the students of lower class from that of Brahmins and other so-called upper classes. The untouchable students were often asked by the teachers to sit outside the class. Ambedkar cleared his matriculation in 1908 from Elphinstone High School, Bombay. In 1908, Ambedkar got the opportunity to study at the Elphinstone College and obtained his graduate degree in economics and political science in the year 1912 from Bombay University. Ambedkar enrolled in the Columbia University in New York City to study economics. He completed his master's degree in June 1915 after successfully completing his thesis titled Ancient Indian Commerce. In 1906, he enrolled in the London School of Economics and started working on his doctoral thesis titled The Problem of the Rupee, Its Origin and Its Solution. Reserve Bank of India was conceptualized by the guidelines from his same thesis. In order to continue his further studies, he went to England in 1920 at his own expense. There he received the DSc by the London University. Ambedkar also spent a few months at the University of Bonn, Germany to study economics. He received his PhD in economics in 1927. On 8 June 1927, he was awarded a doctorate by the University of Columbia. In his testimony before the Southborough Committee in preparation of the Government of India Act in 1919, Ambedkar opined that there should be separate electoral system for the untouchables and other marginalized communities. In 1920, with the assistance of Shahaji Raje II, the Maharaja of Kolhapur, he launched a newspaper called Mook Nayak, which means Leader of the Silent. Ambedkar started his legal career after passing the bar course in Gray's Inn. He applied his litigious skills in advocating cases of caste discrimination. In 1924, Babasaheb Ambedkar founded a social organization named Samta Sainik Dal, abbreviated as SSD, with an objective of safeguarding the rights of all oppressed sections of Indian society. By 1927, Ambedkar launched full-fledged movements for the rights of scheduled castes. He demanded public drinking water sources and all temples to be open for all the castes. He openly condemned Hindu scriptures advocating discrimination and arranged symbolic demonstrations to enter the Kalaram temple in Nasik on 2nd March 1930. In 1932, the Pune Pact was signed between Dr. Ambedkar and Pandit Madan Mohan Malviya, who was the representative of the Hindu Brahmins, relinquishing reservation of seats for the untouchable classes in the provisional legislatures within the general electorate. In 1936, Ambedkar founded the Independent Labour Party. In 1937, elections to the Central Legislative Assembly His party won 15 seats. Ambedkar oversaw the transformation of his political party into the All India Scheduled Castes Federation. Ambedkar was appointed on the Defence Advisory Committee and Viceroy's Executive Council as Minister for Labour. In 1942, as a Labour Minister, he successfully led the struggle for reduction of work from 12 hours a day to 8 hours. He contributed the idea of setting up of employment exchanges in India. His reputation as a scholar led to his appointment as Free India's first law minister and chairman of the committee responsible to draft constitution for independent India. Dr. Ambedkar was appointed as the chairman of the Constitution Drafting Committee on August 29, 1947. Ambedkar emphasized on the construction of a virtual bridge between all classes of the society. He put particular emphasis on religious, gender, and caste equality. He was successful in receiving support of the Assembly to introduce reservation for members of the scheduled castes and scheduled tribes in education, government jobs, and civil services. In 1950, Ambedkar traveled to Sri Lanka to attend a convention of Buddhist scholars and monks. After his return, he decided to write a book on Buddhism, and soon he embraced Buddhism. In his speeches, Babasaheb Ambedkar lambasted the Hindu rituals and caste divisions. Ambedkar founded the Bharatiya Bauddha Mahasabha in 1955. His book, The Buddha and His Dhamma, was published posthumously. On October 14, 1956, Ambedkar organized a public ceremony with his 5 lakh supporters to embrace Buddhism. Ambedkar traveled to Kathmandu to attend the 4th World Buddhist Conference. He completed his final manuscript, The Buddha or Karl Marx, on December 2, 1956. In 1954 to 55, Ambedkar was suffering from serious health problems, including diabetes and weak eyesight. And on 6 December 1956, Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar took his last breath at his home in Delhi. He was posthumously awarded the Bharat Ratna, India's highest civilian honor, in 1990. This was a very short summary of Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar's life. Thanks for watching, and please kindly share this video. Jai Bhim.